Hello, welcome back. Question 49, NOV-DEC 2024. Find the value of into bracket 1101 base 2 all squared, leaving our answer in base 2. A square simply means the multiplication of the number 2 times. So this will be 1101 base 2 all square could be arranged as 1101 base 2 multiplying 1101 base 2. That is the meaning of the square. So if we are doing this, we can have a 1101 1101 all in base 2 multiplying, right? So 1 times 1, that will be 1. 1 times 0, 0, 1, 1 by that multiplication, right? 0 times every number is 0. So 0, 0, 0, and 0. Then 1 will get the same answer as the first one. So 1 times this will be 1, 0, 1, 1. The final one will also be 1 times 1. Then we have what? 0 as in 1 times this. Then 1 times this is 1 times this is 1. So we are going to add all of this. So 1 moving down will be here. 0 will be there. 1 plus 0 plus 1. That is 2. 2 in base 2 is 1, 0, right? So we write the 0, carry the 1 to this place. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, 3. In base 2, it will be 1, remainder 1. So this 1, remainder this 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 will be 2. In base 2 will be 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 3. In base 2 will be 1, 1. So 1, you carry 1. If you add it to this, it becomes 2. So you have 1 word, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in base 2. So we check which one is going to have the same option. Let me clear this from here. Good. So let's look at it. 1, 0, 1, okay. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. That is going to be the option we have here. So we'll be picking the option B, right? This will be A, B. So option B will be our preferred option. All right. There is another way we can get the answer by first converting 1101 base 2 to base 10. Then we multiply the result, then convert the result back into base 2. You will get the same answer. You can try that option also and share your solution with me in the comment section. Like, share, and